Hey viewer, in this video tutorial we will create the different shapes. So these shapes are custom shapes. I have picked up that one. Now I will create different styles, angles and the diamond as well. So here we are using it. Now for more we will pick up that one. Again for the further we are using it. So these are the different patterns we are going to use. Again we have these options. So here I will pick up that steric shape. In that steric shape we will pick up this one. So further I will choose that one.